Alright guys, it's been a while since we have looked at these crypto miners, Riot Platforms, Cleanspark, and Marathon Digital. So let's have a quickly take a look at those charts. And today is 2nd of July, so Q2 is officially over. Soon we'll have a earnings report kick in. So Riot Platforms, if you take a look at the chart, well, it is still for me neutral to bearish. It does not look bullish at the moment. Again, we talked about this name being a lagger among miners, so it has to build above $11-12 level in order, which is also its 200-day moving average around like 11 something, in order for it to well, catch some sort of an attention and bid. So you can see on a larger scale, I will show you this chart where we have this downtrending resistance line. So if this name clears these levels, it has a potential to go to 16. Market capitalization of Riot Platforms right here, right now, is $2.8 billion. All right, so moving on to Cleanspark. So CLSK, very, very long consolidation, I want to say right here, because how many months is 4 months is now it has been in this range of 20 and 15. So this name identical to Riot Platforms. Yes, I'm not bearish on this one, but I'm not bullish either unless this name clearly trades above $20 and acts, because you can see how many people are getting chopped up in between this $15 and $20 level. As soon as we get back above this level, it does have a probability that it can push towards 24, and that's another level of resistance. But if we go a little bit further, well, after it clears these levels, well, there's a potential, of course. 30, 40 is the last, like 2021 push when it had all-time highs. That's the level. But ultra short term, well, you can consider it a very long consolidation. If BTC starts moving end of the year and rates start coming down, we can see these small caps catch a bit. But right here, right now, I'm not bullish this name either, and I'm not bearish either unless it cracks below $15 level. So let's take a look at Marathon Digital right now, because this chart compared to every other miner that other two miners that we looks a lot better. Why? Well, you can see this name, of course, it has been in a identical theme actually from 18 to 22, 23. It's been in this consolidation zone, choppy very, but it has some sort of the uptrend that it has formed, that it's trading in some sort of a like uptrending channel. At least the stock is not making lower lows, and it's not cracking below 18. Well, I'm not going to be watching this name to the downside unless we crack these 1750, like 200-day moving average for the name. So today, well, I was looking at yesterday as well when it had a pretty big move. I was looking at the option activity, and there's a lot of bullish flow coming into this stock, and a lot of people selling puts and buying calls, which is very, very bullish sign. And today, so far, market's still open. We still have half a day almost. 74% of the, actually 61% of the volume so far out of this 179. Calls 39, 38% is puts. So yeah, one of the highly most active options today so far in the market, and it has been for a few days. So if this name clears $23 level, I would be watching 24.66 right here, and then after that, well, it can push towards 28, 34. You can see my resistance trend line. So the main resistance right here, right now, like the price wise, probably 23, 24, and after that, well, it has a potential to go test these recent highs. I have sort of a uptrending resistance because this was the first high, and then it tried to make higher high after reporting earnings. That's why I have this trending resistance right here. So it's not like a linear resistance. So I would be watching that level as a resistance once it gets going. Let's take a look at BTC. So Bitcoin is the, again, main watch, of course, and also the rates, right? So also it depends what BTC is going to do. I don't like what BTC is doing here because it can flush down at any moment to its 50, like 52k, low 50s basically, and that would basically well, mess up this chart in Marathon Digital and other miners as well. So main watch would be keep an eye on crypto names, I mean the coins. So at the moment, 50-day moving average for BTC downtrending. I mean BTC itself isn't in a downtrend ultra short term, but if you take a look at 4 months, yeah, it's been in this consolidation range between 72 and 60. So that's the video, not a financial recommendation. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you're new to the channel. I will see you in the next update.